Mr. President, CIVICUS and independent Burundian CSOs welcome the work of the Special Rapporteur. We also welcome the recent release of a journalist and human rights defender, Florian Erangabia, after being convicted from a flawed trial in 2022. Florian should not have been imprisoned in the first place, just like other HRDs in Burundi. Serious human rights violations and abuses continue to be committed in a context of widespread impunity and dire situation for civil society, which continues to be suppressed. The 2017 law on foreign NGOs, inconsistent with the state's human rights obligations, remains in place and represents a significant restriction to the work of CSOs. The work of HRDs and activists has been limited by numerous restrictions and attacks, including harassment, surveillance, and reprisals, alongside undue restrictions to the rights to freedom of expression, peaceful assembly, and association. Serious human rights violations include extrajudicial killings, enforced irregular appearances, and arbitrary arrests and detentions. The past 3 months have been marked by increased pressure over civic space and severe threats against journalists and prominent media outlets. We raise concern over the unlawful arrest of journalist Sandra Muhoza, who remains in arbitrary detention, and we call for her immediate and unconditional release. We also urge the government of Burundi to cooperate fully with the Special Rapporteur, including by granting him access to the country, and to constructively engage with the HCHR and its regional office. We furthermore call on states to support the extension of the mandate of the Special Rapporteur. We thank you.